Judge, I'm glad to see someone else is having a day like mine. So
Yeah, you needed to be here before. I really hope you're not having a day like mine.
Well,
Court calls case of the people versus Denise Underwood.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Ms. Underwood,
Yes.
are you represented by an attorney? Yeah.
Um,
She came out of arraignment without an attorney. Ma'am, do you want to be represented by an attorney on this?
no, I don't have to.
Do you know what you're doing?
No,
You don't know what you're doing?
no, sir.
So why wouldn't you want to be represented by an attorney?
I've been here waiting for her since 9 o'clock.
Waiting for who?
And Anna Wilden, I think that's her name.
I believe she's referring to the court clerk.
What court? What? Who have you been waiting on, ma'am?
The person to talk to about my case, sir.
Okay, so who were you expecting to talk to?
I'm not sure, sir.
Okay, so Ms. Underwood,
Yes.
you really have no clue what you're doing, do you?
No.
And you realize that the offense that you're charged with carries up to 93 days in jail? I'm not saying that I do that, but there is the potential of incarceration. You understand that, ma'am?
No, I didn't know anything about that.
Yeah. Okay, so now that you know that, that might be 93 reasons why you may need an attorney. So I'll ask the question again. Do you wish to be represented by counsel?
Yes.
Yeah, I figured that'd be the answer. All right, this is a public defender case.
Your Honor, I'm happy to speak with Ms. Underwood.
Well, she's already been arraigned on this case. What I'm going to do is I will adjourn the matter out to April 20th, 2022, 9 a.m. Ms. Underwood?
Yes,
I'm going
sir.
to give you a phone number. I'm giving you the phone number to the public defender's office. You got something to write with? No, just like you didn't have an attorney. You don't have anything to write with. Come on, find some.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna use my phone.
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Use the phone. That's
I'm
what you
use
want to
my
do
phone.
anyway. All right. You ready?
I'm so sorry about that.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm sure it's going to get worse today, so you're all right. What?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. It's area code 734
Okay.
222 6970.
Okay.
Did you get that?
Yes, I did, sir.
Or you just shut your screen off and are pretending? Which one?
I got it, sir.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Ms. Underwood, we'll see you in a couple weeks.
Okay.
Okay? Take care.
Thank you. You too.
Court recalls the case of the people versus Cagle. Mr. Cagle, you're still under oath.
Yes, sir.
You had indicated that you wish to plead no contest to this charge. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes.
Let me explain two things about it to make sure that you understand. The first thing you need to understand about a no contest plea is it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest this charge. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court is going to treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
So to the charge of retail fraud, how do you plead?
Guilty.
No
Okay,
contest.
really? Seriously?
No contest.
Seriously.
Sorry.
Seriously.
So, no contest. I'm sorry. Scratch that, please.
Yeah, okay. You understand that by pleading no contest and the basis for the no contest plea?
Civil liability.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Court calls case people versus Melissa on spot.
And Ms. Anspaugh, I believe, was just taken into custody. I did try to reach out to her by phone. Obviously, this may be why I could not reach her, but I did not know that she was in custody until this morning. So we have not had a chance to speak. I would be asking for an adjournment. It does look like this is the only case holding her. However, she does have a $10,000 bond. We would just be asking for that to be either converted to a PR bond or lowered so that she would have a chance of getting out of custody.
Well, I don't know what you're gonna do because I am not gonna lower the bond because we have been looking to try to get this matter resolved since 2017, April 12th. So we're just short of what would be 5 years. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bench warrants.
Understood. All right. If we could just get the briefest adjournment possible so that I can speak with.
My next date is the 20th.
Actually, I'm sorry, Your Honor, I wanted to plead the case out and plead guilty and be sentenced today. If you could just do all that for me.
I'm not gonna sentence today.
There is an offer for a deferred sentence. Ma'am, if you
Which
did.
means she'd have to go to probation in any event.
Right, right. So, but you would still be in custody either way, ma'am.
Whether I was sentenced or not.
Well, you wouldn't be sentenced today, is what the judge is saying. They would refer you to probation and bring you back one more time for sentencing.
Okay, yeah, I'm on probation right now, circuit court in Lenawee County, and I drop once a week. And I also am in drug and alcohol counseling and have meetings like.
How'd you get picked up, ma'am?
I've been in Lenawee County jail for 30 days and then I came here straight here.
Why were you in Lenawee County Jail?
Because I was driving my car without insurance and I got pulled over and I had a probation violation there.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So you want the 20th?
Yes, please.
That's my earliest date.
Okay.
Holy flower.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Assistant Public Defender Melissa Kleeman on behalf of Ms. Flower. And ma'am, can you unmute and state your name for the record, please?
Kimberly Lynn Flower.
And there is an offer today for her to plea with a deferred sentence, and she would like to accept that offer.
Ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
State your name for the record.
Kimberly Lynn Flower.
All right, Ms. Flowers, it's this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud under the Pittsfield Township Ordinance. You can put your hand down. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail and or a $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yeah.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
February 1st, 2022, at the location of 7,000 East Michigan Avenue, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. What'd you do at the Walmart store that makes you think that you're guilty?
The Listerine did not scan at the register. And I scanned some on sale items that I changed the price at the register.
No, you didn't.
I did what the lady told me I could do. A sales lady. I changed the price. I used one to scan multiple items that were supposed to be on sale.
Okay. All right, let's go to the Listerine first. You said the Listerine didn't scan.
Right,
Okay, did you skip scan it?
Pardon me?
Okay, did you not scan the item?
I thought I scanned the item, but it did not scan.
Okay, so you did not have are you telling me you didn't have an intention to not pay for it? It just didn't scan?
Right.
Okay.
If we could pass briefly.
Well, with Rick, we might have it with two. Hold on.
Okay.
The other items that you said you scanned multiple items of the same thing.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you this. You said they were on sale.
Yes.
Is anything that you did you switch any price tags?
No, I did not.
Okay.
But the
Is
price,
any,
go ahead.
go ahead. What were you gonna say?
There were no price. I had the, okay, the
Price tag on the one.
the price tag was on one. I scanned the one price tag
For them to
for
go up,
for the one on the
Gotcha.
one for the other item.
Okay. Let me ask you this.
Yes.
In doing that, were you at all intending to pay a lesser amount than what you thought should be those items cost?
Yes, because that's what the lady told me they were.
Okay, maybe I asked a bad question. You weren't trying to cheat the store out of anything. Like you thought the other items that you were scanning, I'm just gonna pick a price, were $5.
Right.
And that's what you thought they were.
Yes.
And you're telling me that you asked somebody at Walmart about what to do, and that's what you did.
Yes.
Okay. I cannot accept her plea, obviously, to either one. So
If we could either pass briefly or if we could have a short adjournment, I'll speak with her further.
all right, ma'am, I can't accept your plea because based upon what you told me, the court would determine that you're not guilty of anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjourn the matter out 2 weeks and let you have an opportunity to speak with counsel again on this matter and figure out how you want to proceed. So I'll adjourn the matter to April 20th, 2022, 9 a.m.
Okay.
Right? Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus DeMarcus Parker.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Amber Harris with and on behalf of Mr. DeMarcus Parker. Mr. Parker, if you are present, can you please unmute and state your name for the record?
DeMarcus Parker.
Your Honor, we are here just for a driving while license suspended. Mr. Parker's license is currently valid.
It is.
Then, Your Honor, if he wants to enter an admission to double parking, I'd move to add count 2.
Is that what he wants to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Parker, you admit responsibility to the fact that on January 8, 2017, Carpenter Avenue, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle.
I actually don't remember, but I don't remember that, honestly.
Mr. Parker,
Yeah.
they're dismissing the count of driving while license suspended and you're pleading to double parking.
Okay.
You recall now on that date that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yeah, I'll recall.
Okay. And so you admit responsibility to that?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Court will accept it. Court will accept this admission to double parking. Count 1 is fines and costs of $180. He almost blew it. Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid, young man?
I get paid next week. I can pay it next.
Okay, any day next week. What day?
Friday.
You gonna forget?
No,
you pick Friday because all right, fine. Pay it by.
That's the day. Early.
Pay it by April 15th, 2022. All right.
All right.
You take care.
All right, you too.
Court calls case People versus Charles Williams.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Amber Harris with and on behalf of Mr. Charles Williams. Mr. Williams, if you are present, can you please unmute and state your name for the record?
Yes, my name is Charles Williams.
All right, what are we doing on this?
Your Honor, Mr. Williams is just asking for a brief 4 to 6 week adjournment so he's able to take his roadside test.
He's gonna take a road test?
Yeah,
Can he drive?
I'm hoping he can.
All right, I'll give him the time. You gonna pass, Mr. Williams?
Hey, I'm hoping, hey, I'm gonna try my best.
All right, from yesterday, we had people here. Can you parallel park? Oh, that's a no. All right. Okay, so just try to avoid the cones. He needs about. Do you have it set up already or no?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay, yeah, I'll do it. He's give him that long. He may have to take it twice the way he's talking.
Have faith, Your Honor.
I have faith. He's got to have faith first. He's telling me.
We're gonna pray about it. He got it.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let him practice parallel parking. So I'm gonna give you till May 18th. That's what I'll adjourn this out to, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You got that, Mr. Williams? All right. Just, don't hit any of the cones and stay in the lines. That's the best advice I can give you. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's 11. All right, did you already do the list? All right, folks, give me about 5-10 minutes. Take a break. We're going into our next block. The list should be up, and then I'll come back and start calling cases. Court standing recess. All right. Court calls the case, People versus James Johnson.
Caitlin Kirby on behalf of the people.
Second. Assistant Public Defender, Your Honor, on behalf of, you called Mr. James Johnson, correct?
Yes. James Johnson? He is checked in. Yeah, I do see his name. James Johnson. And he just left.
He's been in and out.
Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Johnson this morning. If we can pass this matter, I can try and give him a call again.
Call it up first in the next block, but
Thank you.
better be there or who's gonna get a bench warrant. Is that it for that block? All right, that was my 11 o'clock. Right?
It looks like his name, he is back on the screen. I don't know if we want to try and call him again.
James Johnson. Mr. Johnson,
Yep,
can you unmute?
Yeah.
I got him.
Good afternoon. Assistant Public Defender, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Johnson, we are requesting an adjournment in this matter. Mr. Johnson actually has a couple of other matters. I am drafting an email now to the prosecutors looking if we can get a global resolution. And then we hopefully will be able to resolve this at his PCC scheduled for the 14th in front of you.
Your Honor, this is actually part of a global resolution where he took a plea in 14A2 and we agreed to dismiss numerous cases between the state and the city. This is supposed to be a plea today where he's going to be pleading to the OWI. If that is no longer the case, then I will have to contact 14A2 to talk about his other matters. This was discussed at length via email.
Yeah, when my last attorney
Hold on, Mr. Johnson. I got you, but hold on. Counsel?
I apologize, Your Honor. I was not privy to that email and it didn't show up in the notes. I didn't have contact with Mr. Johnson prior to today. He did log into the Zoom and I gave him my telephone number and we were able to speak during this hearing. I did not know about that agreement. Ms. Kirby, do you know which person from my office you spoke with?
Yeah, Mr. Johnson, who were you talking to?
It's Mr. Meyer.
Hold on a second. What? Go ahead.
It's Mr. Meyer from your office.
14A2.
Mr. Johnson? Is that who you were dealing with?
I believe I did have Mr. Myers, but like I told Mr. Myers, I'm not accepting no DUI.
Okay, so let me just try to figure this out because Mr. Johnson, do you know anything about a global resolution to a bunch of other cases or anything like that?
No, it wasn't no global resolution. Only thing that I know about is I had some cases in front of another misdemeanor judge. I believe it was Tabby. And somehow, some way, somehow, some way, my a case left from his courtroom and went back over to, I guess, this courtroom. That's the only thing I know about.
Which case was that? Do you know what it was?
No, I'm really not too for sure which actual case. I got so much going on right now. But I told Mr. Myers that I'm taking that OWI to trial. I mean, I looked up Supreme Court law and stuff, so I want to take that to trial. It was just a state Supreme Court case that was, that was just issued.
Don't go into detail, Mr. Johnson. Okay.
Okay,
Your Honor, Mr. Johnson already pled to 2 attempt RNOs, and I dismissed a trespass as part of this resolution. And then the city dismissed DWLS, a trespass, and another DWLS and disorderly. And then I was going to dismiss another trespass as well as the second count of this case. So if that is not the case, I will contact the city attorney and we will be reinstating all of those charges.
Okay,
So
well, I guess we're gonna have to.
Mr. Johnson, hold on.
Mr. Johnson, please. Counsel, what do you have?
I again, Your Honor, I apologize for the mix-up. We can either try and pass this matter. I am messaging Mr. Myers from my office now to see if he can bring me up to date on what's going on. I can have another conversation with Mr. Johnson, remind him of whatever that agreement was.
Well,
and then
here's what I'm gonna do, because I don't know. He just dropped out again.
No, he's still here.
Mr. Johnson?
He's on mute.
Where?
Yeah.
I lost him. Oh, there he is. Okay. All right. Well, look, I've heard 2 different things at least about what's going on. None of them seem to match what Mr. Johnson is indicating to the court. Somebody needs to figure it out so he knows what he's doing or not doing.
Right.
And so what I will do on this one, however it turns out, I'll adjourn this to the 20th.
I believe I got another court date on that date, but I'll check and see.
Where?
I believe that's a Monday, correct?
No.
Oh,
That'll be a
no.
Wednesday.
Oh, no, I ain't got one. Okay, that's cool.
April 20th, 2022, 9 a.m. or as the Zoom invite indicates. You guys figure it all out.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is that it for that block? All right, that block is finished. I'll come back up for my new block shortly, folks. Quarter stand in recess.
Hey, can my attorney call me?
I will call you.
All right, cool. Except for that. What I look like except for the trial. No.
Court calls case of the people versus Devon McCord. Okay, he's iPhone 4. Sir, you're gonna need to get somebody someplace stable where you've got good Wi-Fi connection, because if you're walking around, you're breaking up on me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
If you stay right there, that was good.
Okay.
Okay, all right. All right, what
Yeah.
are we doing on, what are we, oh, he kept walking. See,
Ugh.
that's what I'm talking about. I tell you what to do and you just keep walking. Just stay right, just sit, stay right there.
Okay.
Apologies
Okay,
in
now
advance.
he's finally listening. Okay, what are we doing?
Apologies in advance, Your Honor. In this case, we would be requesting an adjournment as well.
What's the reason for the adjournment?
There is more discovery that we have requested.
Okay, once again, this case started February 2nd.
I do understand that, Your
Wasn't it
Honor.
requested before then?
Your Honor, we do an initial discovery request and it is inclusive of all media and.
Okay, so what has recently come up?
The police report, Your Honor, speaks to a photo lineup as well as some video recording, and none of that was involved or included in the discovery that we received.
April 20th, 2022, 9 a.m. Bound continued. Okay, you got that, young man?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay,
Have-
you can, what'd you say?
I said, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, now you can move. Go on, I don't care anymore. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This case is a great example of what happens when a defendant enters court without understanding the legal process. While this was not a true sovereign citizen situation, the underlying mistake is similar: overconfidence combined with a lack of legal knowledge. The defendant initially refused an attorney despite openly admitting she didn't know what she was doing, a decision that could have had serious consequences given the potential for jail time. The judge's response was measured but firm. He emphasized the risks, clarified the charges, and ensured the defendant understood the stakes before proceeding. This reflects a key legal principle. Courts must ensure that defendants make informed decisions, especially when waiving their right to counsel. In many sovereign citizen cases, individuals rely on internet myths about jurisdiction or legal loopholes, which almost always fail because courts operate under established law and procedure, not personal interpretations. Here, although the defendant wasn't making those arguments, the confusion still created a similar dynamic where the judge had to step in and correct the situation. The takeaway is simple. The legal system requires knowledge, preparation, and often professional guidance. Trying to navigate it alone, especially without understanding the basics, can quickly lead to unfavorable outcomes.